This little convertible is absolutely adorable. This thing makes me feel like So I Married an Axe Murderer when he's driving around in San Francisco. Kind of hilarious, but yet awesome. Even got the caps, y'all. Steel wheels, you know how I like steel wheels. We love the steel wheels around here. Even got the steel wheels with the caps there too, look at that. But we're out here just looking for some gems. And me, I think that's a gem. That's a cute little car. Look at that thing. Just do like a boy, look at those rims, you guys. It is complete. And it's a manual. I know how everybody likes the little Volkswagens now. Thing right here, we gotta step out of the way. Look at this thing, everybody. This thing is awesome. 4-speed, the dashboard's all complete. Seat and everything. This thing is really clean. 3/4 ton. Early model C10. A little moss on that sucker growing. That's awesome. I'm gonna find out what they really want for this one. This one's awesome. Over here we've got a convertible 64 or 5, maybe 66 or 7. I'm not sure. Not too keen on the Mustangs yet over the years. But it's a convertible and it's all there. The seats, the shifter, dash, everything, hood. It's just been sitting out. And then look at this little sorry thing. Was a delivery at some time. Man. Someone could have done something with that back in the day, huh?